Welcome to CKK's Rapid Fire video series. This is the one-piece sheath tutorial. First thing you want to do is gather your tools up. Make sure you have everything necessary to do this project. Then determine the amount of material needed. Just get enough material to cover your object with plenty of room for your eyelets. Go ahead and score. Cleanly break your material. Once you have your material, then prepare your oven, setting your temperature at a range of 305 to 325 degrees. You'll open up and check the surface temperature with a thermometer. Then place it in the molding press. Make sure that you have your item fully encased in the Kydex. Placing the top plate on your press, push down and then clamp your press. Set back and let it cool down to room temperature. Once you have it at room temperature, go ahead and pull it out. Then mark where you want to place your eyelets. Go ahead and drill your eyelet holes. We use a drill guide for this process. Then, placing the unflared side of your eyelets upward, press on your flaring press and set your eyelets. Next, cut off the excess Kydex. Again, this is an artistic step. Then, sand the edges. Put your knife in your sheath, test it for good locking. Once it's locked in place, you're good to go. Thank you, and if you want a full presentation of this same information, check our full-length video, the one-piece sheath tutorial with Christian Green of Green Force Tactical. Thank you very much.